Okay, gang, so what we did, we trimmed a zip tie to fit down in the hole. And now Eddie is going to put that screw back in. And that thing is not coming out. That is amazing. Dude, that is sick.
It's slick, slick, slick. That's it.
Trimming that one down. You said you like to use the thicker ones.
Just the thicker ones. It's, it's got a little more to grab onto.
Okay.
These right here, sometimes with these bigger screws, it just cuts it in half.
Yeah. Okay, so we just stick it down in there. Nothing fancy.
That's it.
Dude. High five, man.
Yeah, that's it.